babies. Today we're gonna do a painting called Struggle to Love. Because it is, guys, it's a struggle to love sometimes, because some of us just don't know how to love. But you know what? It is what it is. I hope there's more love in the world, but this piece I'm doing right now is called Struggle to Love. And it's a mixed media piece, spray paint, and of course these waterproof markers right here. They're called solid markers. They're for graffiti, so let's do this, guys. Hope you enjoy my new piece and my new style of art. Nobody does this piece of art. This is me. My style only. I'm going to share it with you today. Hope you enjoy it. We're going to start off with this primer gray. Now, it's got a really kind of a dark color to it. It's smoke gray is what it is. And it's kind of a high gloss. But this is the only thing we're using paint-wise. The rest's going to be markers. Here we go. My technique. Get your anger out! Okay, so you see how I did that? And I'm going to get some steel wool, piece of steel wool. Go. Spray paint job for it. Liking that a lot. What I want to do is get rid of that line there. I don't like that. Gagging here. There we go. You don't want any canvas lines. You sometimes get those. Get rid of them. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, splatter. Here comes the struggle part. Make sure your edges are sharp and you just feel your anger. Let your soul go. Don't leave anything out of the corners. Then I'm going to put some hearts in there, hidden secret hearts. Broken hearts. Broken hearts of love. Not too many, you don't want it too thin. Here we go, guys. A little thicker stroke here. Put yourself into the piece. Liking that. Now, the red, the love. I just can cry when I do this stuff. So emotional, guys. Put yourself into the piece. Cross your T's and dot your I's. Put your emotions, all of you, into the work. You gotta feel love. You gotta feel the struggle. Trap some of the rods underneath. That's what the struggle's doing. It's entangling the emotions together. There you have it, guys. I'm going to show you this piece. Hope you love that. Thanks, guys. Can you see that, cameraman? That's my best works, guys. Appreciate it. FOLTZ art.